Alright, good morning guys. So today we're actually going to a place in Indonesia called BINTAN, which is an island. We'll be staying at this resort for the next 4 days, and right now I'm actually packing up my camera gear for the trip. So what I plan to do during this trip is to show you guys how to do nighttime star time lapse, which I'm going to be doing I guess on the second or third day, and then we'll be visiting the other places that they have in the resort. Alright, so right now we're gonna get ready to leave, so yeah, see you guys there.
Let's not go down like this. Take your pain, take all of the emotions that you feel. Give them all to me. Oh, I wanna get lost in the night now. Hold me in the dark till the lights down.
Alright, so we just arrived at the resort, and right now we're actually going for a swim. And over here the pool is quite cool, so I'm just going to show you that later. I guess we're going for a swim.
Give me your electric touch.
Alright, so right now we're in a field outside the resort, just down there. And right now what I'm going to do is do a time lapse of the stars in the sky up there. We're going to run a time lapse for about an hour or so, I think. And then yeah, it should be quite cool. Alright, so the settings I'm using for this time lapse right now will be shutter speed of 8 seconds at interval of 6 seconds. I'm using aperture of f8, and I think the ISO is 2000, so I'm going to be doing, so I'm going to leave the camera out here for probably 1 hour or so. So the time lapse was a success, so right now we're heading back to the hotel, and yeah, see you guys tomorrow morning. Alright, so it's day 2 here in BINTAN, and today, this morning, as you saw earlier, we went to basically went kayaking as well as this undersea boat. And right now we're actually now the sun's right setting right behind me. So now it's actually 4:57, and what I'm gonna be doing is I'm gonna probably set up 2 time lapses and just sit down here at this nice sitting place over here and do a few time lapses, and probably will go down there, and then I'll probably guess a little bit more time lapses, maybe some B-roll, and then hopefully give it a good sunset and we'll take a nice footage from there. So we're at this place where we eat lunch right now, and I just took a few photos around here. So if you want to check that out, you go to my Instagram, search IsaacLorVisuals, and you'll be able to see those photos down there.